Labial fillers are something which every girl wants to have, and almost immediately is when they see the results with labial fillers. So let's get to know this interesting thing. What are these labial fillers and how to use them in our video today. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So before getting to know about the labial fillers, first let's find out what is this labia. So the labia are nothing but labial lips are the vertical sort of a lip or skin fold which is present just outside the vagina. This is called labia minora and the skin next to it is called labia majora. So when a lady has a sudden weight loss or when there is aging, that is when this labia majora skin becomes more saggy and lax, and that is when a woman feels like having a labial filler for herself. So when it comes to which type of fillers we should suggest, we have two types of fillers. One is hyaluronic acid fillers, one is fat fillers, wherein we use patient's own body fat, we process that and we re-inject it into the labia majora. So these are the two different types of fillers what we have. And the cost also depends on which filler we use. If it's hyaluronic acid, it's just the product cost. But if it's fat filling, it's more of a technique where we remove the fat, we give some anesthesia, then we re-inject. So the cost might be little more compared to the hyaluronic acid fillers. But finally, the moment the filler is injected or kept inside the labia majora, the results are almost spontaneous or immediately. So immediately once the filler is injected, it makes the labia majora looks more voluminous, more luscious. And if we inject fat filler, this fat itself is a medium where it makes the skin more soft, hydrated, and it makes the skin more smooth and babyish also. And even the labia majora pigment issues also might be solved to an extent with this fat filling. So these fat filler procedures are just either office-based procedures or maybe done under a minor anesthesia procedures. And if you're going for fat fillers for labia majora, then just one session may be enough for you. And if you're going for hyaluronic acid fillers, then maybe you might need repeated sessions depending on how it is. Maybe annual maintenance might be required. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know anything more about labial fillers, you can comment below so that we can make more videos related to this topic. And do not forget to press the bell icon for further notification.